Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Got my sidekick Carlito here.
Hey guys, I'm almost cooking.
Well, today, Carlito, we're making my Cuban style chicken stir fry. And this episode starts right now. I've got the ingredients behind me. Let's go check them out. Okay guys, I'm back now that you saw the ingredients. Two other ingredients is one medium bell pepper, and love tricolor, and a medium onion. Check this out. About 15 minutes, and we're gonna check. Guys, look at this. Our beautiful chicken is marinating. Not marinating, it's cooking in there. It's becoming tender. And guys, when I come back, we're gonna add our vegetables. The reason why, Carlito, we added half a cup of water was because our frozen vegetables have water as well. So we don't want it to be too soupy, right? Mm-hmm. taste. Very hot. Here's the veggie. Look at how soft that chicken is. Look how easy I cut that piece of chicken.
Yeah, I cut it as well.
Very hot, very hot. Wait a second, we grab a little. Ooh. Good. All right, guys. So you know something? You can taste the tomato. As always, he doesn't care. He just keeps eating. The tomato paste, all the Cuban spices, which is my sofrito. That's why I call it Cuban style chicken stir fry. For stir fry veggies, but of course, I always have to try it twice because I'm a double dipper. But look how easy I cut this chicken. Look how moist that chicken is. And it's chicken breast, which is usually very dry.
I'm gonna try one of the veggies.
Okay. Try again. Wow, so good. If I was on my live show, I'd be twerking right now. So delicious. You know what else comes through, guys? The heat from the red pepper flake adds so much flavor to it. Oh, so delicious. So, remember you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episode, guys. And as I always say, my two main ingredients for every recipe is
Peace and love and passion. Passion and love.
That's correct, passion and love, so cute. I don't care what you look like, I don't care what your kitchen looks like, I don't care where you come from. You incorporate those two main ingredients, passion and love, your dish will not fail. I repeat, your dish will not fail, guys. And as I always say, you guys, au revoir, I love you, los quiero. Until the next Stovetop Yum Yum episode, we will be back and we will see you then. Take great care, guys. Bye.